just the Tamolo. The video the Kasan Yamane, the so Samsra, and the Tiri Shine Sogi Tuzurasra. Any video the Sogo Binzi the Catalana, Tangazo Pevano, like YouTuber, up and coming, a lot of YouTubers out there, and then a lot of them are vloggers. Any vlogger chitism, vlogging chitism, any anzo vlogging camera geomar, Kande doji, Goyame, what do you call the Kitchera? Tangazo camera world bula, any camera dominator, Sony, Canon, Nikon, any dime bache off-brand and manguiro, any GoPro leche, and digital DJI leche. The camera dominated some marani, I didn't know nega dominated. So in the world of so many cameras, and you're just starting out, which camera do you go to, right? Of course, there's like the first constraint is the budget for yourself, of course. But beyond that, what do you look for a camera? What beyond the price and beyond the brand? What else do you need, right? Oh shit, take it up here, buddy. What do you call it? This kid shame. 니 camera지 공지 직부 명화처럼 공지제 브랜드 직부 명화처럼 camera라 담드즈마 vlogging specifically vlogging 치도 camera지요 말에 어디 담드즈마 아니 니에스마 불라 아니 기주시 four quality you have to look out for. Okay, the four qualities into a camera that you want to use for vlogging. 아니 어디 걸라 기주시 아니 기주 당시에 camera를 가리고 올라나 stabilization system. Okay, and the stabilization system the kechmo kharichin chaworlana tana as vlogging chiga dura vlogging chiga the yard or ma do and camera this stuk to the to samba any short is it stuk to the samba stabilization system ki kharch orlana short is to thebje jio mara to thebje me asur and it makes it steady ani the kharchini kechmo chaworlana tana as the viewer the this vlog the viewer manchi complaint kharidlana to khoaji content the yakbudu ina khoaji video short de mare sheki du nga go na du nga changma ta thu ani complaint mangcho wanted over shara. So look out for a vlogging camera de la mare stabilization system yoga camera chick odila ta ore ani tanda system de mingla I think they call it IBIS layer IBIS lana in body stabilization system, I think something like that, and there are a lot of variation in it. Also the research here to grow only number thangodi body short stabilization system do em do di tago fast autofocus kitchen niba di mare ani autofocus di kechumbo or kashin chaworlana tangazo vlogging chaga do zumba mare ado or ma do camera length yama shorgiro what did zumba mare vlogging chingi me you always want to be on focus, right? Ani de chikpo mewa chera ta susugi chala jiktoena re susugi khala do jiktoena me de you want it to be on the focus, right? So it makes a lot of difference when parda in the gaira what did zumba mare par khande thungyo me video aji short de khande thungyo me mare mo dilani keba shorger pena chashana ta thana nya ji camera de la yomare auto focus kyobu sheshir ni example chikte ta thanda nga focus do ani ye chala jikte ora chala de focus lamsal yata right there. I'm back in focus. That's an example of good focus. Okay, ta ni camera shinda jikte the on the Umar, but it has a really bad focus. The Nikon D3300, and I have never used this for any of my vlogging, and it's a really bad example. Ani sumba delani kari kechumbo chawar sumba delani kechumbo kari chawar lana flip screen. Ani flip screen dia yuna yamare Suzuki the kari tayar lana Suzuki video get the zamba ani Suzu frame bula do mindu autofocus tela do mindu modi feedback data get ra ani ochini ani flip screen dia ani kechumbo thumudu ani yan thana ni camera dela ani flip screen ni ra ta dela ani flip screen right there. Kechi shiva the microphone, a good microphone. Camera le amare the Suzuki vlogging chiti samba keja mangul lagi ro keja mangul ladi samba kisi microphone de yaku mena ani content this it becomes a low quality. So look for a camera that has a good microphone when you do the videos, right? Videos of this any microphone ya pujigena and your content will elevate. Kira ji content so gi video din mara ni din ya puchagire samgudu ni samba bula ya mara. The nye samba bula the camera vlogging camera keche shi basic keche shi di o thara re samgidu ra ani वो दी कैमरा किसी जी कैमरा दिला किचु शी दी ना निकना जो vlogging content दी याकुचा गिरे संबितो अनि तंगारा vlogging शिदु कैमरा नी पिचतंगी चिक दिंगारा iPhone पिचतंगी रा iPhone 12 Pro दी कोरा दिला नी किचु शी दा stabilization autofocus चे अनि कैमरा जिदी की दी याकु रा अनि feedback दे याकु रा गितुरा अनि गारा दी Sony Zve10 दी पिचतंगी अनि दी मयम बचरा था तंदा जो the Samsung as phone the any camera vlogging che ya puyore ani thana chita thanda Nikon che ani DJI che ta dinzu la ya camera dominator ani they have a very specific camera ani the Suzuki research china ani hakure ani nye description the vlogging camera this description din nye wo de lu sha go ra ani kyona zitta da ra yena ta last la nga kharid la thu dul na mi de the camera the dominator but the best camera out there the best camera is the camera that you have at the moment. Okay, the best camera is the camera that you have at the moment. So you know ani kecha thara lai ani happy vlogging, happy picture taking ani ni next video dela tu